What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a BMW G05 X5 50E in our workshop for one of our most popular products, the axle-back exhaust. These cars are hugely popular, and of course with the B58 engine there's also a lot of potential in making a better sound on these cars. So today we'll be installing a rear muffler on this car from DCE Parts. It is a Valvetronic muffler, which means that the rear muffler also has controllable valves with a remote control, which we can show you over here. This is the rear muffler, and it includes two valves, one on the left and one on the right. And of course we have them in two versions, one with the quad tip version and one with the original tip version. Today we will be installing the quad tip version, so the rear bumper trim, these exhaust tips will be removed, and we will install the quad tips inside the original diffuser. And of course, as we said, it is a axle-back exhaust, so the original exhaust will be cut from here, and then the new one will be installed from DCE Parts. Of course, before we start, we'll also give you some sound of the original car, inside and outside, so you can hear the difference before and after. So this is the DCE Parts axle-back exhaust for the X5 50E, also for the 45E. This is where the exhaust connects to the original mid pipes, and as you can see, the DCE Parts have two valves, one over here, and when you close them, everything goes to the middle part, through the muffler, outside of the middle tips, and when you open them, it will go through the outer ones. And of course, some of the airflow will still go through the middle part, but then it is still a true bypass when you open the valves, which means that the car will sound much deeper without being too obnoxious, because there's still a muffler that acts like a resonator. So with the valves open, the car still sounds really good without being too obnoxious. Of course, this one is available in multiple types. You can reuse the original tips. This customer chose for the black ones. These are black chrome, of course, with the DCE Parts logo. Optionally, there are other options available, but this is the most popular choice as of right now. The exhaust also have some adjustments for the exhaust tips, so you can place them anywhere you want. If you like the exhaust to stick out a little bit more, that's possible, but we generally just adjust them to a more OEM plus liking. Just keep in mind, stainless steel will expand when you put heat into the exhaust, which means the exhaust tips will also, of course, come out even further when you drive the car. Okay, so we have the exhaust installed over here. You can see the quad tips in the rear diffuser. The valve control module has been installed in the trunk, so the valves are now working. I'll show you the remote control. So here we are, the X5 is back on the ground, ready to be ready for a test drive. We have installed the gloss black package. We have also installed the Axleback exhaust, the Valvetronic Axleback exhaust for the X5 50e, one of our most popular products, and it transforms, of course, how the car drives in terms of sound. We have also done the logo delete, the emblem delete on the back, so the rear of the car is fully clean now. So we're now ready for a test drive. Let's take off the plates and then show you how the sound, show the sound of the car. So here we are test driving the X5 50e. The car is now equipped with the DCE Parts X5 50e exhaust. It works with a Valvetronic system, so with the valves, with the remote control, you can open and close the valves. If you're curious to how the exhaust looks or sounds or whatever, hit us up. We are always happy to send you a few photos or videos to help you out with the choice that you have to make. Right now the car has already been warmed up, so we'll show you some video clips of the car inside, of the sound inside, and of course how the car will sound from the outside. So a lot of people are also wondering if the car sounds, how the car sounds when you are cruising with the valves open. Well, it's just like this. The car is still super comfortable. Nothing to complain about in terms of sound. Still remains a luxury car, and that is of course what we want with a BMW X5 like this. So I think the result is great. Of course, with the valves open on the outside, you can definitely can hear this car much better. But right now the car on the inside with the valves open or closed is still very, very comfortable. And that is of course suits the character of these cars very well. So we are happy with how our product has turned out so far. We sold a lot of these Valvetronic exhausts. So that was that. We have showed you the sound of the BMW X5 50e exhaust, and of course also some B-roll of the styling modification we have done to the car. Thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and see you on our next video.